Honorable Sir Madam, we thank you for taking the time to meet with us. I am a representative of an international government, and we are faced with a serious problem, namely, that the world's population is growing too fast and that society is already struggling to meet human needs with all its resources.
I've heard about this program, but I have some concerns about attracting marginalized people to the optimization factory for genetic testing and screening.
This is to address the resource challenges faced. Through genetic testing and screening, we can transform marginalized people into components in factories, thereby increasing productivity and resource utilization.
We are also individuals with human rights and entitlements and should not be deprived of our freedoms and human rights.
We understand your concerns, but our goal is for the benefit of all of society and sustainable development. We will provide appropriate compensation and welfare considerations to ensure that you are treated appropriately in an optimized factory.
I need time to think about this decision. My life and future are at stake and I need to weigh the pros and cons of the government. I would also like more information and evidence to be provided so that I can better understand the significance and implications of this program.
Of course, please consider this carefully. We will provide wonderful information and evidence, as well as expert explanations and opinions. We hope that you will understand our intentions and contribute to the future of mankind.